Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at this product here. This is the Kunist wireless phone charging cover for your wireless charging area of your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. So this silicone cover gives some protection to that area, and it also gives you a nice non-slip area for your phone to rest and to charge. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Let's go take a look. All right, everybody, well, welcome back. So, like I was saying, I got this really nice product here from Kunist. So they reached out to me and asked me to review this very simple and basic product. And once again, it's one of those products that not only protects your car, but does have some functionality to it as well. So this is your phone wireless charging cover for the area in front of your console here that where you rest your phone to charge it. So this actually covers this entire area. As you can see, it looks just like the same area that's already there, except this is a nice silicone material that kind of covers it. So it does protect that area. It also gives you a little bit more of a non-slip area for your phone to rest in. And it seems like a pretty cool product, a pretty interesting product. Maybe you don't like the look of the factory area that you get with your Tesla vehicle, so you want to kind of just change it a little bit. Well, this is a good way to do that. So this gives you a nice solid black color silicone area, and it actually covers a little bit of the outsides as well, as you can tell from these little wings on the outside here as well. On the back side, it's the same material, just a silicone material there, and they give you this little bit of like a double-sided tape, and what that does is that's going to just secure the bottom of this to your interior piece there, just so it's nice and secure and doesn't move or budge. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and get it installed. It should be a 2-minute installation, and just see how it works and see how it functions. And what I'll do is I'll use it over the course of about a week, charging my phone, and see if I've noticed any differences charging my phone over it. I can't suspect I will. It's a pretty thin material, so it really shouldn't affect your wireless charging all that much, if at all. And so I think it's pretty neat. And if you're interested in this product, go ahead and look down in the description below. You could click on a link in there. That'll bring you straight to this product. You can take a look at it, see if it's something you're interested for your vehicle, and you could decide for yourself if you like this. So let's go ahead and get this installed and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just throw this cover right here, and we can just kind of get a glance at it real quick to see if this is something that looks good. So as we can see, it covers this area down here. It's got a little car logo here, looks like a Model Y potentially. And it's also got these little wings on the side here that protect your interior there as well. It goes all the way up, meets all the way up to the very top of the charger, which is really nice. Obviously, you have these little bumps in the middle that hold your phone in place. These bumps here on the sides as well. So these just cover what the factory charger has there. And so what we could do is, if we really quick just throw a phone in the charger, we can see just like that, phone is there. It's now charging. There we go. And so now it is doing its thing, and we are charging our phone. So it seems to work pretty well. Now, as we can see, I haven't put down the double-sided tape yet, so this area is a little floppy, but that's why they give you that nice piece of double-sided tape, which we will go ahead and get that installed right now and see how that looks. So I already cleaned this area to make sure that it will stick perfectly fine with this tape. So let's go ahead and get this peeled off real quick. Okay, now we want to make sure we get that lined up good. All right, looks good right there. Looks nice and lined up. Very nice. Throw our phone in there. All right, looks good. All right, everybody, well, there you go. There is the Kunist wireless phone charging cover for your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. So that really nice silicone texture I think looks really good. I think it actually makes the interior look a little bit nicer too, in my opinion. So I like that whole aspect of it. And we're going to go ahead now and give this a little bit of time. I'm going to give it about a week or so. We're going to use it every day to charge the phone, make sure it doesn't have the phone slip out, and when you're driving, make sure it actually works well for all that stuff. So we will document all that, and we'll get back to you, and we will give you our final verdict on whether or not this is something that really is worth the money for you to spend on your vehicle. All right, everybody, so just stay tuned. We'll get back to you in about a week. All right, everybody. Well, it's been about 2 weeks now since I've gotten the Kunist silicone wireless charging cover for the wireless charging area of the Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model Y. I really do like it. It does change the look of the console a little bit. It's something that, up to you whether or not you like the change of the look of that console, or do you rather have that Alcantara look that Tesla puts in there from the factory? Well, that's really up for you to determine. So I'll put in the screenshots here so you can take a look at it for yourself to see if this is something you're interested in. Now, how does it perform? Well, it does a really good job of keeping it a non-slip surface. So this way it's nice and grippy, holds the phone. I haven't had any issues with the phone slipping out of that charging area. Also, this kind of adds just that extra layer of grippiness to your phone to keep it from moving. Now, I have not noticed any issues with the phone charging on the mat. I don't seem to have an issue with phones overheating while it's sitting on the mat. If anything, the silicone starts off as a little bit cooler material to put the phone on, so it seems like it probably helps keep the phone a little cooler. Maybe, I'm not really sure. But I haven't had any issues with the phone charging. I haven't had any issues with the phone overheating. So I think it's working out really, really well. And of course, I do like the way it looks as well. I think it looks pretty good in the interior. And if this is something that you like and something that you think that you want to put in your vehicle, make sure you look down in the description below the video. You'll see a link right there where you could pick this up for yourself for your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. I'd like to thank you very much again for watching this episode today. Check us out on all our social medias, also down in the description below, and we'll see you on the next episode. And remember, welcome to the future, and welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you soon.